Hello class, in this video I'd like to show you how to schedule a workshop or a one-on-one tutoring session. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click the Online Student Services link and then look at the academic support area, right? So we have tech support, student support, but under academic support we have a lot of options that will help if you're struggling with a particular topic. So I click on academic support and we can click on the online math center. And to the left, you'll see, oops, it's asking me for my credentials. On the left, you'll see the workshop calendar where you can schedule a workshop or your one-to-one appointment. If you click this link, you're going to need your credentials again to go further. I actually don't think I have student credentials, so mine won't work, but you can enter your information here and log in. If it asks you to create an account, you can do that as well. But this is where you would go for your one-to-one sessions. Let's see if we can come back. Here's the workshop calendar. I think I've sent this link in previous announcements, but while we're here, you can see the upcoming workshop. So we're MAT 130. So the 15th, that was last Thursday, there was a workshop at 9 o'clock. And they have recorded workshops if you've missed workshops. They try to update these usually every 48 hours or so. So it looks like there's only one workshop for MAT 130 that's been recorded and saved. But I would keep coming back to these areas for additional help. Remember, I'm also available to help. You can also talk to your advisor to help you coordinate help or schedule help. And that's pretty much it. I hope all is well, and keep working hard, everybody. Thank you.